Welcome, Informe is on our pad V9, and in this video I will show you what to do if your automatic screen rotation doesn't work. First of all, open the control center, slide it down from the top of your screen, and here check if the auto rotate setting is enabled. So if it's colored blue, when it's colored blue, the auto rotating is enabled, and if you don't have this setting on the list, and the list is quite long, as you can see, you can add the setting by clicking right here, edit, and here you can find the auto rotation setting, select it and add it to the settings list. And in case enabling auto rotation doesn't help, you can as well go to settings, select system and updates, then select reset option, and then select reset all settings. This will also reset your network settings, face data and lock screen password. Select reset all settings, confirm, and in case your automatic rotation didn't start working again, let's also reboot the tablet by holding down the power key, selecting restart, and then wait for the tablet to reboot, and let's check it once it does. And once the tablet is restarted, you can check the auto rotation again, and if again it doesn't work, then the last thing that I may suggest is to get back to the system and updates section. You can as well check your device for the software update by clicking this button right here. Oh yeah, of course you have to first connect to the Wi-Fi network to do that, but in case your tablet finds any updates, it might also affect your firmware, so it might also fix your problem with the automatic rotation. So if you can go ahead, take your time and check your device for updates, and in case it finds any, install them and check if your automatic rotation problem is fixed. But if it's not, then the last option that I may suggest is going into reset section and selecting reset tablet. Now this will erase all data from your tablet, but there is a good chance that your automatic screen rotation will start working afterwards. And that's all I wanted to mention in this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.